Hello friends, I am Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh, India. And today in my science series, I present for you my Zenit camera for your entertainment as well as for your little information. This is my 35 mm single lens reflex camera and the model is Zenit EM. It was manufactured by Russia in 1970s when Russia was a part of the Soviet Union until 1991. In the bottom is printed the words made in USSR. This is one of the best cameras as I prefer this one. Metal body. The lens is fitted with the main body with the help of a system known as universal screw thread mount. And here you can see the mirror and pentaprism. Backside viewfinder. This lever is used to forward the film and this knob for taking shots. Flash socket and this number drum is used for adjusting the film. The shutter is mechanically controlled and it runs horizontally as you can see. And this is cloth focal type. This chamber is for film cartridge. The film is inserted here and it moves forward through these serrated wheels to this drum. And as you know, when the cartridge is empty after taking 36 shots, then the film is moved forward to this cartridge to this side where the cartridge is situated is fitted, and the film cartridge is then taken to the film studio for processing. Friends, I hope that my simple presentation must have been a little useful to you for your entertainment. Thank you for watching.